Hi, I'm Daryl from Tents for Rent. Do you have a construction project that's running behind schedule due to the weather? Don't let it get you down. We may be able to rescue your project by setting up a tent. Do you need to pour concrete in freezing temperatures or protect your crew from blowing snow? We've got you covered. Our heavy-duty construction tents are designed to handle wind and weather. Our propane heaters can melt the snow off the tent roof and keep your crew comfortable. Here are a few things to keep in mind when planning a construction tent. While we can work with some uneven ground and obstructions, it's best to install and remove a tent on relatively level ground with as few obstructions as possible. It's helpful to have a few pictures of the work site to help us evaluate your needs. You can email them to us at tentsforrent.net. Will your crew need work lights? There's not much light inside the tent when the walls are closed. We'll need to know the height of any equipment that will be working inside the tent to ensure that you have the sufficient clearance. In order to give you a price quote, we'll need to know the length of time that you'll need the tent as well. If there's any snowfall while the tent is in place, the tent must be heated to help melt the snow off the roof. Alternately, the snow can be removed manually as well. Can we drive stakes into the ground? If so, that will save quite a bit of cost. We have two types of tents, clear span or frame tents and pole tents. Pole tents are the most economical option. However, if you need completely open space inside, a clear span or frame tent will work best. For pouring concrete, a pole tent can be used and the small spot where the pole was can be patched later on. Have more questions? We'd be happy to help. Give us a call to get a quote. We've provided tents for construction, renovation projects, temporary storage, concrete pouring and curing, disaster relief, environmental remediation, equipment storage, and much more. Let us know how we can make your project succeed.